Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you this delicious, quick and easy cream of chicken baked chicken recipe. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's start by marinating our chicken. It has already been washed. I have some assorted pieces, which are leg, wings and thighs. Here I will add some fresh green seasoning, and then I will follow up with some paprika, garlic and onion powder, some black pepper, chicken bouillon, chicken seasoning, sazon, and some seasoned salt. Add that to the chicken. Then you want to go in with your hands and just make sure that everything is well combined and all the pieces of chicken are very well seasoned. Once we are done, you want to set this to the side to marinate for about an hour or two. Here I'll be using some flour and a pinch of sugar. This will be used to help thicken up our gravy, because once that chicken starts to produce its own moisture, the gravy becomes kind of thin, and this will help to thicken it back up. Here I'll be adding a can of cream of chicken and mushroom. We will give this a good mix, make sure it's well combined, and we'll use this to top our chicken. Next, you want to assemble your chicken pieces into your baking dish. Once that is done, you want to go over the top with some chopped onions and bell peppers. Now you want to go over the top with the cream of chicken and flour mixture, and what I like to do is sprinkle a little bit of paprika for a pop of color and brightness. You want to cover this with foil wrap and place it in a 365-degree oven for about 1 hour. Once that is up, I'll show you what we'll do next. After an hour, you want to remove the foil wrap, place it back into the oven to cook for another 20 to 30 minutes so it can brown up nicely over top. And this is what we have here after an hour and 30 minutes. Absolutely divine. I just garnish with fresh parsley and I serve this and enjoy. I served it with some steamed broccoli, a baked potato, and I have my gravy on the side. Listen, this was so mouth-watering. I can't wait for you guys to try the recipe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.